Hey guys, it's Callum here for Callum's Train Vlogs here. I'm here at Doonside station.
Customers on platform 3, the next train does not stop at this platform. Please stand behind the yellow line. Please stand clear.
On 7 December, due to industrial action, significant delays are expected on City Train and New South Wales Train intercity services. Trains will run to a reduced timetable and some services will be cancelled. Some bus services in southwestern Sydney will not be running.
So you've got to keep your eyes open.
Plan ahead
There'll be a
and
fast
consider
train coming
alternative
through.
transport.
Okay.
For more information, visit transportnsw.info.
It's alright. Keep going.
Okay. This is welcome to Doonside station. Welcome to Doonside railway station. Facing towards to Penrith and Hornsby.
Please stand behind the yellow line. Please stand clear.
Here it comes. Can you stand back, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you let me do this and we'll get a good shot of it, okay?
Yeah.
Watch this train coming through. Nah, you'll be fine. Just watch. This will be a good shot.
The next train does not stop at this platform. Please stand behind the yellow line. Please stand clear.
What type of train is that one?
Tangara. It's going to Blacktown, to Hornsby and Penrith.
On platform 1, the next train does not stop at this platform. Behind the yellow line. Please stand clear. The train on platform 4 goes to Penrith. First stop, Rooty Hill, and then all stations to Penrith.
That's a push-pull train, I think, is what they call them, where they got engines on the front and an engine on the back.